Looking for the best DJI drones of 2025? Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, a hobbyist, or a professional in need of advanced aerial capabilities, DJI continues to lead the market with its cutting-edge technology and innovative designs. From cinematic quality footage to immersive FPV flying, these top drones offer exceptional flight stability, long battery life, and incredible camera systems. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 5. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a highly capable drone designed for both beginners and advanced users. It features a 48-megapixel camera with a 1.3-inch sensor, delivering impressive photo and video quality even in low light. With a fast f1.7 lens, it offers excellent clarity, and the ability to shoot 4K 60p video is a standout feature for those looking to create professional-level footage. The drone also supports decine-like and normal video profiles, giving you more flexibility for post-production. Equipped with 3-way obstacle avoidance, front, back, and bottom, and Active Track 4.0 for tracking moving subjects, the Mini 3 Pro ensures a safe and smooth flying experience. The APIS 4.0 system can automatically navigate around obstacles, making it easier to capture dynamic shots. It also includes a Master Shots mode for quick cinematic video creation. The drone is lightweight, weighing under 250, which means you don't need to register it in many regions. It offers 34 minutes of flight time on the standard battery, with the optional Intelligent Flight Plus battery providing up to 47 minutes. As for pricing, the Mini 3 Pro starts at $669 without a remote, $750 with the RC-N1 controller, and $909 with the new DJI RC remote. Whether you're an experienced drone user or just starting out, the DJI Mini 3 Pro offers a combination of ease of use, fantastic features, and high-quality performance. If you want a compact drone that doesn't compromise on image quality and flight time, this model is definitely worth considering. Number 4. DJI FPV. The DJI FPV drone combines speed, user-friendly controls, and a thrilling flight experience, making it one of the top FPV drones available. With a 12-megapixel sensor, it captures 4K video and 1080p photos, ideal for anyone looking to get stunning aerial shots. The drone can hit speeds up to 87 miles per hour, offering an exciting flight experience. Built with sturdy materials, it's able to handle mild crashes, but serious damage will require professional repairs. This drone is great for beginners thanks to its intuitive design, though complex maneuvers still require some skill. One downside is the lack of raw video recording, which limits its appeal for serious filmmakers. The drone also offers only 12-13 minutes of flight time, which may not satisfy those looking for extended use. At around $990 for the base kit, the DJI FPV is on the pricier side, but it offers a unique FPV experience that's hard to match. So, is this the right drone for you? If you're a beginner or someone looking for a smooth, immersive flying experience, this drone is an excellent choice. However, if you're after raw footage, more crash durability, or longer flight times, you may want to look at alternatives or more advanced FPV setups. Number 3. DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S is a powerful and versatile drone that excels in both image quality and advanced features. It offers 50-megapixel stills and 4K video at 120 FPS, making it ideal for both casual users and professionals who demand high-quality visuals. The LiDAR sensor greatly enhances its ability to avoid obstacles, especially in low-light conditions, providing a much safer flight experience. The drone also boasts a remarkable 45-minute flight time, ensuring extended usage during photo and video shoots. With 42 GB of onboard storage, you'll have ample space for recording without worrying about running out during a shoot. Notable features like Active Track 360 allow the drone to follow subjects with ease, even in complex environments, while the free panorama mode gives users complete creative control over panoramic shots. The D-Log-M video and RAW image formats offer professionals the flexibility they need for high-quality post-production work. Priced around $1,149, the DJI Air 3S presents a solid value for its feature set, combining affordability with professional-grade capabilities. Is the DJI Air 3S the right choice for you? If you're a photographer or videographer looking for a drone that delivers excellent footage with intelligent tracking and safety features, the Air 3S is a top contender. However, if you need features like a larger aperture for ultra-low light conditions or more advanced pro-level controls, you might want to explore higher-end options. For most users, though, the DJI Air 3S is a highly recommended choice. Number 2. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is a state-of-the-art FPV drone that provides a remarkable flying experience. Its 23-minute flight time is impressive, though actual flight duration may vary slightly with active flying. The drone features a 2-axis gimbal for steady footage and EIS 3.5 for excellent image stabilization, even in moderate wind speeds of up to 30 mph. The DJI Goggles 3 provide a 44.0 FOV with 1080p dual micro OLED displays, ensuring a crystal clear view. They also include features like head tracking and an anti-fog cooling fan, making extended flights more comfortable. The Motion Controller 3 is intuitive, allowing effortless control with wrist movements. However, to unlock the full manual flying experience, you'll need the FPV Remote Controller 3, which offers more precise control and additional flight modes. Priced at around $11.99 for the Fly More combo, the package includes the drone, Goggles 3, Motion Controller 3, extra batteries, and a carrying case. For beginners, the DJI Avata 2 is an excellent option due to its ease of use, stability, and immersive flying experience. However, experienced FPV pilots may find it limiting without the FPV Remote Controller 3 to access manual controls and full customization. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine stands as a top-tier drone for professionals, featuring a triple camera system that offers exceptional versatility and imaging power. Its Hasselblad 4.3 CMOS camera delivers crisp 20MP shots with true-to-life colors, thanks to the Natural Color Solution, HNCS. Along with this, it boasts a 48MP camera with 3x optical and 28x hybrid zoom for detailed shots from a distance, and a 12MP telephoto camera with 7x optical zoom for even more shooting flexibility. This drone is capable of 5.1K at 50 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, providing smooth video with a high level of detail. With 10-bit D-Log color, it captures a wide range of colors for professional-grade post-production flexibility. Other advanced features include hyperlapse, night shots, and HLG for expanding your creative possibilities. The 1 TB internal storage ensures you have ample space to store your high-resolution footage. Priced at around $4,999, the Mavic 3 Pro Cine is best suited for filmmakers and content creators who demand the highest standards in video quality, storage, and shooting flexibility. If you're not a professional or don't require such high-end features, there are more budget-friendly options, but for those who need a professional-grade drone, this one truly shines.